Hi, my name is Preetha. I welcome you to my channel. Today we're going to make a very lovely chicken gravy that goes great with rice, pasta, or even your sandwich bread. Stick around until the very end and watch me make it. So let's begin. Today's recipe, I'm going to be cooking about 2 kilos of chicken. I will need a kilo of onions. If you're going to cook about a kilo of chicken, the amount of onions you're going to take is 500 grams. You just have to cut them in slices and keep it aside. All the measurements that I'm giving today are for 1 kilo of chicken. Next up, let's go ahead and grab some chicken and we're going to cut it. We are going to keep the chicken pieces in large chunks and only apply some deep slits. So my pieces are going to be fairly large in comparison. The next ingredient is garlic, and as the title suggests, we are going to be adding a lot of garlic. So for 1 kilo of chicken, you need to add about 3 teaspoons of garlic, heaped teaspoons. Yeah, and don't forget to pound it. A coarse paste will do. Next up, take about 5 to 6 medium-sized potatoes and cut them in halves. This is going to be great for this particular gravy. And for those people who are vegetarians, here's what you got. Skip the chicken and just go ahead and add your potatoes. It makes a wonderful vegetarian dish as well. For today's recipe, we are going to take 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 star anise flowers. We've got a nice sized sauce pot ready with oil cooking on medium heat, and once it's hot, we're going to throw in our spices and make sure you add your onions first. Cook it on medium heat till it changes color and it's still soft. We don't want to caramelize the onions. Next up, we're going to add our coarsely ground garlic paste. Again, wait for it to cook well, and then you can go ahead and add your chicken and potatoes to the pot. Before you put the lid on and cook the chicken, make sure you add a little bit of water to get started. Now I'm giving it a good stir, and then I will go ahead and add all the powder ingredients. And also at this point you can add your salt. We're going to cook on low flame at the beginning, and then we will slowly switch it up to medium flame so that our chicken gets cooked well, and we will continue cooking on medium flame until our chicken is done. Make sure you stir it now and then so that there is no burning at the bottom. Notice I don't add a lot of water to this gravy. Well, you don't have to, because there is plenty of water coming out of the chicken meat itself. But then again, if you feel you need it, go ahead and add about half a cup at a time. So for today, I've got some rice cooking on the side. I have some bay leaves thrown in and a small piece of cinnamon as well. This is going to be the first day where they attack the chicken and eat it all up. Then the next day, I try to make pasta and serve the dish up with the potatoes that are left over. Trust me, it tastes wonderful. If you like this video, make sure you join me in my future videos. I'll see you soon with my next recipe post. Take care. Bye-bye.